CORSAIR iCUE allows you to set up complex macros and actions for nearly any application and assign them to any key on your keyboard or button on your mouse. To create a macro in iCUE, go to the Actions tab for your mouse or keyboard. Click the plus button to add an action to the list and select the action type from the drop-down. You can choose between key remaps, macros, profile switching, and more. For this example, we're going to select macro since we're going to be entering multiple key combinations for controlling video conferencing software. Click the record button to begin recording. Now enter your macro. For this example, we're going to use the Windows key and F4 combination, which toggles your microphone in Skype for Business. Click the record button again to stop recording. Double-click the macro in the actions list to rename it to something easy to remember. Now we'll assign this macro to the back button on our mouse. Repeat the process for as many macros as you need. We're going to quickly create another macro that'll toggle our camera in Skype and assign it to a key on our keyboard. Other useful macros for general productivity can be seen here on the screen, but you're not limited to just these. You can enter whatever key combinations you want for programs you use regularly. And that's it, you've just created some useful productivity macros in CORSAIR iCUE. For more information about our iCUE-enabled products, go check us out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.